Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. Why checking your trailer emergency brakes could save your life. Imagine cruising down the highway when suddenly your trailer breaks free. Without emergency brakes, it could plow into traffic behind you. Faulty trailer brakes contribute to thousands of accidents yearly, many preventable with basic maintenance. This video covers why routine emergency brake checks matter, how to test them properly, and the warning signs you shouldn't ignore. A few minutes of inspection might be the difference between a safe trip and a disaster. Understanding trailer emergency brakes. Trailer emergency brakes aren't just another feature, they're your last line of defense if something goes wrong. When a trailer detaches from the towing vehicle, these brakes activate automatically to prevent a runaway scenario. They work independently, so even if the trailer separates at high speed, it won't barrel uncontrollably into traffic. How trailer emergency brakes function. Trailer emergency brakes rely on a fail-safe mechanism. If the trailer disconnects from the tow vehicle, a built-in system, whether hydraulic or electric, kicks in to stop the trailer. Here's how it happens. Breakaway switch activation. A small switch is connected to the trailer's braking system and tethered to the towing vehicle. If the trailer detaches, the tension releases, triggering the brakes. Independent power source. Electric systems use a battery, while hydraulic systems use stored pressure. Both ensure brakes engage even if disconnected from the main power supply. Full braking force. Unlike standard brakes, emergency brakes apply full stopping power immediately. No gradual slowing, just a fast, controlled halt. Without this system, an unsecured trailer could roll freely, risking collisions, property damage, or worse. Think of it like a parachute for your trailer. It only deploys when absolutely necessary, but it's the reason disaster is avoided. Hydraulic versus electric trailer emergency brakes. Not all trailer emergency brakes work the same way. The two most common types, hydraulic and electric, have distinct differences. Hydraulic emergency brakes. How they work. Pressurized fluid activates the brakes when the trailer detaches. Often used in heavy-duty setups like horse trailers or large cargo haulers. Pros. More responsive in high-weight situations. Less affected by electrical failures. Cons. Complex maintenance, fluid leaks are a common issue. Limited to trailers with hydraulic brake systems. Electric emergency brakes. How they work. A battery powers the brakes when the breakaway switch is triggered. Common in utility trailers, boat trailers, and RVs. Pros. Easier to install and maintain. Works with most modern trailer brake controllers. Cons. Relies on a charged battery. If the battery's dead, the brakes won't engage. Less ideal for extreme loads. If you're towing lighter loads frequently, electric brakes are usually the better choice. For heavy-duty hauling, hydraulic systems offer more consistent stopping power. Either way, the key is regular checks, because if the emergency brakes fail when needed, nothing else will stop that trailer. Common issues with trailer emergency brakes. Even the best emergency brake system won't help if it's damaged or worn out. Neglecting small problems now can lead to big failures later, often when you least expect it. Here's what goes wrong most often and why you should never ignore these red flags. Signs your trailer emergency brakes need attention. Emergency brakes don't fail without warning. If you notice any of these issues, act fast. They're your trailer's way of crying for help. Grinding or squealing noises. Metal on metal sounds mean something's rubbing where it shouldn't. Worn brake pads or misaligned components are likely culprits. Spongy or delayed braking response. If the brakes feel soft or take longer to engage, air or moisture might be in the hydraulic lines, or the electric connections could be corroded. Visible rust or corrosion. Brake components exposed to road salt or moisture weaken over time. Flaking metal or greenish buildup on wiring harms performance. Broken or frayed cables. A damaged breakaway cable won't trigger the brakes if the trailer detaches. Check for splits, kinks, or rusted sections. Battery issues, electric systems, dead or undercharged batteries won't power the brakes in an emergency. Test the battery voltage monthly. These aren't just annoyances, they're failures waiting to happen. A single weak link can make the whole system useless when seconds count. Consequences of neglecting emergency brake maintenance. Skipping inspections or postponing repairs might save time today, but the risks far outweigh the convenience. Consider these real-world consequences. Safety risks. Runaway trailers. The NHTSA reports over 1,000 accidents annually caused by trailer separations. Without working brakes, a detached trailer can reach deadly speeds before crashing. Jackknifing. Faulty brakes increase stopping distances, forcing the tow vehicle into a dangerous skid during sudden stops. Legal and financial fallout. Fines and liability. Most states require functional emergency brakes on trailers over a certain weight. If yours fail and cause an accident, you're financially responsible for damages. Insurance denials. Many policies void coverage if an accident results from neglected maintenance, leaving you to cover costly repairs or lawsuits. Let's be clear, a $50 brake repair is always cheaper than a totaled trailer, or worse, a hospital bill. How to check your trailer emergency brakes. Regular brake checks are quick, simple, and non-negotiable for safe towing. A 5-minute inspection could prevent a disaster. Here's how to do it right, no guesswork, just clear steps. Visual inspection of brake components. Before hitting the road, take a close look at these key parts. Grab a flashlight if you're working in low light. What to examine. Brake shoes, pads. Look for uneven wear, cracks, or thinning. Replace them if they're under 1/4 inch thick. Cables and wiring. Check for fraying, rust, or loose connections. Tug the breakaway cable to ensure it's securely attached. Hydraulic lines, if applicable, inspect for leaks, cracks, or bulges. Wet spots near fittings mean trouble. Springs and levers. Make sure nothing's bent or stuck. Movement should be smooth, not jerky. Battery, electric systems. Verify the battery is charged and terminals are clean. A voltage reading below 12 volts means it's time for a recharge or replacement. Wear gloves, brake dust contains harmful metals. If something looks off, fix it before towing. That's it for part 1. Now you know why trailer emergency brakes are essential for safety. Stay tuned for part 2, where we'll walk you through exactly how to check and maintain them properly. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.